Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about how we can make a simple ATM like software by giving voice command in Excel VBA. This is the software which I have made in Excel VBA giving voice command. Let's check how it works. If without entering any amount or password or type of account, if I click on OK,
You cannot left blank amount field.
then it gives a voice command. You cannot left blank the amount field. Suppose I enter here some amount, suppose 100, then again I click on OK.
You cannot left blank password field.
You cannot left blank password field. Then I will give password here. Then again I will press or click on OK.
You cannot left blank type of account field.
Then it gives the command you cannot left the blank type of account field. Suppose I will give here type of account SB, suppose savings account. Then I will click on OK button. Here each message, do you want receipt? Here you can also see that the amount, password and type of account has also been set. If I click on yes,
Thank you for using the bank ATM and do not forget to visit again.
this is the voice command given to this software. So friends, let's start how we can make such a wonderful software in Excel VBA by giving voice command. Let's go to the Excel sheet. This is sheet 1. I will work on sheet 4. This is the sheet 4 of Excel sheet. Here this is the developer tab. If the developer tab is not displaying on the Excel sheet, then go to file menu and here is an option itself, it's options. Click on option and then customize ribbon. Click on customize ribbon. Here is another window which has been opened. This is developer tab. It has been tick marked. If this has not been tick marked, then tick mark and click on OK. Your developer tab will get activated on the Excel sheet. Now we will go to Visual Basic, or you can press Alt F11 on the keyboard. This is the Visual Basic. You can see here, or you can press Alt F11 on the keyboard. This is the Visual Basic window. Here you can see an option is available, that is insert. Click on insert menu. We need to have a user form, so we will click on user form. We will take label and text box. Okay friends, now I will take a command button. I will drag it over here and rename it as OK. Now you can also change the font size. This is the font. Click here and font style bold 16, font size OK. Now friends, double click on this particular button, double click on OK button. You just have to remove this one, option explicit. Then in between this I will write the code dim SSH worksheet set sh equal to sheets. Since I am working on sheet 4, sheet 4, sheet 4. Here I'll use a for loop for text boxes. For ch field, for ch field equal to 1 2 3. Close the next for loop. Next ch field. Then here I will put a condition if me text box and ch field equal to empty, then close and if and exit sub, if me text box unchecked field equal to empty, then field label, here we will take field label FLD LBL, field label equal to me. Here me means user form itself, me label and ch field dot caption below below this I'll write the voice command code application dot speak dot speak you cannot left blank, you cannot left blank field label and field. Here field label means level 1, level 2, level 3, and field here means text boxes that we have used. We have used 3 text boxes. Close the bracket. This is the voice command to the software. If anything is left without entering any data, then the cursor should blink in that particular text box. So for this we will also use a command me text box and check field ch field dot set focus it will blink the cursor in the blank text box field. This is the coding for the first command. Here we will give a message what happened wrong. ch field, sorry, here I have used inverted comma, so it shows error, and below the next check field, here we will give message box. Do you want receipt? VB question, yes. VB question plus VB, yes, no. Two options will be available. One is yes, another is no. Then we will also use a voice command here for the software. Just copy this one up to speak, then place below the message box here. Thank you for using bank ATM. This is the command, but voice command for this message box. Either if you click on OK, yes or no, then the amounts entered in the text box or the password and the type of account should get cleared for that text box 3. In this way I have completed the coding part of the software. Let's check whether it works or not. This is the debug menu. You can also compile the VBA project clicking here. You can also compile the this coding part clicking debug, or you can check it through pressing F8 on the keyboard. Seems okay, the software seems okay. Coding part is perhaps okay. Let's check. Click here.
You cannot left blank amount field.
Redirect. The software is okay. Now enter some amount here, 2000, password, then type of account, click on OK. This is the message that we have given to the software. Do you want
Thank you for using Bank ATM and do not forget to visit again.
Thank you for using Bank ATM and do not forget to visit again. In this way this software works. If you want to save the transaction details in this on this particular data sheet, you can also do so. In the next video we will discuss about how we can save the transaction details on the worksheet. Thank you very much friends for watching this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up